No internet connection or security pop-up blocks the usage of CapCut. Even though if you install it from Play Store or third-party site, if it is official or third-party, whatever it may be, you are using VPN and the installation checks and the signature checks does not match and you face like this. So in order to fix this, you have to use VPN and install the third-party app like where you got this video redirected like that. So connect to the VPN like USA, UK or Vietnamese in order to get without restrictions. So clear the CapCut from recents and long press it and try to force close it and open it. Now check how it works. If you face any this kind of stuff, I recommend you to clear the app from the recents tab and open the CapCut app and try until you get these filters. So in this video I clearly say that only some of these server side restrictions will be unlocked or accessible, but templates and voice isolation still sucks. So in this case I suggest you to move to other applications to edit your videos even more effectively. So let me explain the better applications right now. First, Filmora. This is the greatest tool when it comes to the PC world, and even though in Android world it's still leading. So it has lots of features like templates and text to voice, voice to text, and lots more AI features in it, just like CapCut. It is best alternative. And number two is InShot. InShot is the most popular video and image editing software in Android world. So most of you know the features and how to use handle it. And the next one is VivaCut. This is most advanced than the Filmora in my opinion, because I regularly use it for the template stuff and video editing, and even the processing of exporting is faster when compared to Filmora in my scenarios. And maybe you can try this one instead of using CapCut if you face any lags or anything in that, because the Filmora and CapCut are too heavy in size. Number 3, Viva Video. This is just as a Chinese company software, just like CapCut, and mostly I think CapCut, VivaCut, and Viva Video are comes under the same company. I think maybe the inside code is just similar to them. When comes to the Viva Video, it has lots of features and even have some AI features in it too. And maybe if it is not available in your country, maybe it requires VPN to access it. Now number 4, Kinemaster. It is the still popular and most powerful tool from my childhood onwards, and it still lacks many of features which offered by CapCut, VivaCut or Viva Video or Filmora. So I suggest you to use if you are friendly with horizontal view, and most of people are addicted to vertical view. And the final one is VN. VN is just similar to CapCut and it has so many free stuff when compared to the CapCut. So I suggest you to use VN if you are addicted to CapCut. So finally it's your choice to use which app suits you if CapCut not works. Thanks for watching.